Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the cue card. Describe a difficult decision that you once made. Now, let's begin with the cue card. Describe a difficult decision that you once made. What was the decision? When did you make the decision? How long did it take you to make the decision? And explain why it was a difficult decision to make. Let's begin with this cue card. Well, decision making is a crucial part of our daily lives. As we make certain decisions regarding our education, career, and other life goals. Here, I would like to talk about a very difficult decision, which was about my studies. Actually, I used to live with my family in Dehradun, where I used to study in a school. Last year, because of my father's job promotion, he was transferred to another branch in Ludhiana, and my family decided to move there. I have to say, I didn't want to go there as I did not want to change my school and leave my friends. Moreover, my parents also did not force me about this and wanted me to take this decision on my own. I was in a dilemma whether to go with my family or to stay at the school hostel. After carefully considering everything, I decided to continue studying in the same school and studying in the same city. Although it was quite challenging for me at the beginning, I had never been away from my family before. But staying away from my family helped me become independent and disciplined. I stayed there alone for 1 year, and during that time I learned to cook food, wash my clothes, and do other daily chores. Now I think I will not face any such issues when I will move to Canada for higher studies, as this period taught me a lot. So that was the most difficult decision, which was eventually proven beneficial for me. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will look at some follow-ups for this cue card, which can be asked in the exam. The very first question is, what decisions do people generally make in their daily life? Well, individuals make many personal and professional decisions every day. People make personal decisions like what to eat, what to wear, and what to do. Then they make decisions related to their work like going to work, completing a job, task, etc. I also make many decisions in my life regarding my work and personal life. Next question is, which is easier, making a decision by oneself or making a decision after a group discussion? I would say group discussions make important and difficult decisions easier than individual decisions. This is due to the fact that we get to know about everyone's perspective while deciding on something, which helps us carefully consider all the options. However, a person should always give priority to their own ideas, as no one knows better what is good or bad for them. Next question is, why are many young people unwilling to listen to their parents' advice? As far as I know, youngsters do not listen to their elders' advice because they think they know things better. They feel that their parents' ideas and opinions are outdated in this new world. So they consider them more knowledgeable and skillful. As a result, their opinions often contradict their parents' beliefs, which results in not paying attention to their advice. Next question is, why do middle-aged people tend to second guess their decision? I believe everybody usually tend to second guess while making difficult decisions. So it has something to do with age. People often take help of their best friends and family members while second guessing, as they know better. So these were some sample follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. We also live on social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.